Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have got two Christmas tree decorations that I have made. They're really easy. One is actually using like household items and the other one are just using a few bits that I got from Hobbycraft. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I think they look really sweet, and I think that they are just great last minute Christmas decorations that you can add to your house if you wanted to. So I really hope you enjoy. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little DIY on these really cute little velvet decorations. I apologise now if I sound a little bit bunged up. It's definitely that time of year, but yeah, basically I got these really cute little decorations from Hobbycraft. You would have seen in my Hobbycraft haul a few weeks ago. I got 4 stars and then this really cute little heart as well. So I've just got some heat transfer vinyl and I'm going to go ahead and just put some nice little sayings on here, and I thought I would record and show you how I do it. So to start, I'm just simply going to go into the Cricut Design app. As you can see, I've got this on my phone, and then I'm just going to literally type what it is that I want on each of the stars. I'm thinking of doing our names, so obviously Oscar, Ezra, Sarah and Jason, and then the heart in the middle. I'm thinking of doing a like Mr. and Mrs. Welsh, because basically, as you guys know, we got married this year, so I'm thinking of doing like a first Christmas as Mr. and Mrs. or something like that. So I think that'll look quite sweet. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and type that up on here now, and then use my Cricut Joy to print it out, and then going to iron them on. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure these so that I know roughly how big I want the writing to be on each star. And I always like to do it in centimetres because I just find it a lot easier. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and find out how big I want the writing to be on each decoration. So take 2, because the vinyl I was using, the Cricut just did not want to cut it for some strange reason, and just kept missing chunks. And yeah, so I've now gone onto like this different kind of gold which hasn't got any glitter in it, and fingers crossed it'll like this a lot better. Okay, so I've now finished weeding, and so I've now just finished weeding all of the names. As you can see, they're the other way around, because obviously when I stick them down they'll be the right way up. Definitely liked this vinyl a lot better, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the iron to transfer it on. I've just got my normal hand sort of like household iron. I have asked Santa for a little Cricut heater for Christmas, and yes, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer that onto the little stars now. So this is how the decorations turned out. I'm so happy with them. I absolutely love them. I think they look really cute, and I love that I've done them in loads of different colours. And this is how the heart one turned out. On the back, I've just put the 2021. But yeah, I just thought that looked really cute as well. I just didn't want to write it out in the same font. It didn't want to cut out very well in the same font, probably because it was a little bit smaller than these. But yeah, I just love how they turned out, and let me know what you think. So the next DIY is my favourite. I love how this turned out, and it was just using wooden pegs that I got from Amazon. So as you can see, I'm literally pulling the pegs apart and then getting my hot glue gun and sticking the two pieces together. I got 8 large pegs and then 8 small pegs, just because I wanted them to be slightly different sizes. But as you can see, I'm literally just going ahead and sticking the two bits together. So again, with the smaller pegs, I'm literally just pulling them apart, which are a lot fiddlier than the bigger ones. And then gluing all of the ends together. So I told you it's like such a really easy DIY to do. So as you can see, these are the smaller ones, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a big dollop of glue on there and then stick the two bits together to kind of form the snowflake look. And then I just got some twine because that's how I'm going to hang it onto the tree, and then you guessed it, I'm just literally going to glue this onto the snowflake as well. I kept mine wooden, but you could potentially paint this as well if you wanted to, but I just quite liked the sort of natural wood colour and how that looked, and this is how it turned out. I really hope you like. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please hit the like button, and also if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be amazing, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks guys, take care, bye.